Hey everyone, I'm Stella from Beyond Norm. Today I'm going to show you how to summarize a powerful and emotional English passage from your high school textbook, To Kill a Mockingbird. This method will help you truly understand the message of the story and help you prepare for exams, build your speaking and writing skills, and most importantly, find your own voice in English. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is To Kill a Mockingbird. Atticus, a key character in the story, says it's a sin to kill a mockingbird because mockingbirds do no harm. They only sing for people's enjoyment. This line is symbolic. It hints that some innocent people in this story will be hurt, even though they did nothing wrong. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are some useful words from the passage. 1. Empathetic. 2. Assault. 3. Despise. 4. Criticism. 5. Rage. 6. Testimony. 7. Bruise. 8. Instinctive. 9. Reputation. 10. Despair. 11. Dominate. 12. Devastate. 13. Deliberate. 14. Verdict. Take a moment to understand them, because these words will help you express the main ideas clearly. Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. Paragraph 1, Atticus believes it's wrong to harm innocent beings, symbolized by mockingbirds. Paragraph 2. Scout and Jem grow up in the 1930s in Alabama, with their father Atticus, who teaches them to be fair and empathetic. Paragraph 3. When Atticus defends a black man, Tom Robinson, the family faces criticism, but Atticus stands for justice and tells his children to stay calm and do what is right. Paragraph 4. During the trial, Tom says Mayella kissed him, but he ran away in fear. The Ewells tell a different story, blaming Tom for an attack. Paragraph 5. Atticus proves that Tom couldn't have injured Mayella, and the real attacker was likely Mr. Ewell, who is left-handed. Paragraph 6. Even though the evidence shows Tom's innocence, the all-white jury still finds him guilty. Tom later dies trying to escape, and the children are heartbroken by the injustice. Paragraph 7. However, there's a small sign of hope. The jury took longer than usual to decide, showing that some people may have started to believe in fairness. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. Let's bring it all together in a short summary. To Kill a Mockingbird tells the story of Atticus Finch, a fair and kind lawyer in 1930s Alabama who defends a black man, Tom Robinson, in a racist town. Although the evidence proves Tom is innocent, he is found guilty by an all-white jury. This deeply affects Atticus's children, who learn how unfair the world can be. Still, the story ends with a small sign of progress. The jury took longer than usual to reach a verdict, showing that change, though slow, is possible. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Now it's your turn. 1. Read your summary aloud. 2. Make small adjustments if needed. 3. Then record your version and upload it to Beyond Norm. You'll get personal feedback to help you improve. Every time you practice, your English becomes more powerful and your voice becomes clearer. At Beyond Norm, our students don't just memorize English. They understand, think, and speak with confidence. And it all starts with a passage, just like this one. Want to improve your speaking and writing with high school readings just like this one? Join our full-text input-output training. We'll help you turn English from a school subject into a real-life superpower. Click the link below to get started. See you in the next video.